folks, Aaron here. I have a Scout ukulele for you today. This is number 715. The back and sides are some beautiful curly myrtle from Portland. It's a tree that I got this year that I've been sawing up for instruments, and these pieces were too small for other stuff. That's why it's perfect for a Scout. Beautiful spruce top, some walnut binding, walnut bridge, and a white oak fretboard and head plate with an old Doug fir neck. It's got a real crisp sound. I really like it. Yeah, I really like it. So it's going out to the Scout list right now. Cheers.